Good afternoon, option traders and investors. How are we doing today? So we're going to be discussing a little tweet that Elon Musk ended up tweeting out at 4:49 June 11, 2020. He ended up saying LOL, but there was a time before where he said something about this, which was referring to stocks as well. And if you look here at the comment, somebody ended up replying with, "Okay, so you know it's unfair. Tell us what happened." He ended up replying with stocks. And last time he ended up saying something like this, I believe he said that he thought the Tesla stock was too overvalued or something like that. And then after that, so many ended up people sold. And it ended up dropping quite a bit. But as you see right here, June 10th, he tweeted that out. June 11th. Yeah, as you can see, I feel like that kind of refers to back then what he was saying. So the price ended up dropping down all the way to 918. So it'd be a pretty good choice to buy some puts or something like that. But at the same time, I feel like you should maybe consider buying some calls for a little bit more towards long term, because I really feel like honestly Tesla's gonna bounce up more than go down, because last time something like that happened, it was the same thing, and then Tesla ended up bouncing all the way up to 1,000. And in my opinion, I think the stock can go up to 1,500, maybe to the 2,000s, and maybe in 2 years, 3 years from now, or possibly even sooner. Who knows? I mean, this stock ended up jumping from a $200 company to almost $1,000 company in a matter of a year. So, especially through a crazy pandemic, which is honestly unbelievable. But I mean, that's something to look out for, traders. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.